My name's Stephen. I had a full implant, upper and lower, by Dr. Nahlah. The last 30 years, I was in severe pain. I would open my mouth and my jawbones would crack in the joint. I'd be in pain for hours after that. So it was hard to eat. I had missing teeth. So for about 2.5 years, I had this glob in my mouth, this denture. And one night on TV, we were up late and we happened to see his ad. I had to have extensive bone replacement in my jaw and gum area before the implants. Since then, which has been 3.5 years now approximately, I've had no pain. It's a shock to you, but it will completely change your life and put you back on the track from what you used to have as far as embarrassment, not wanting to open your mouth, not wanting to eat certain foods. I have no fear of eating anything now. Because when you come here, it's all one place, one-stop shopping, as they say. The staff, they're excellent. They've always been very kind and cordial. They know what they're talking about. I'm learning to smile all over, which is a big difference. Because for a long time, I didn't smile. My wife will tell you, every picture we've got, I'm not smiling, even at the wedding, because I didn't know how to smile, because I was afraid to smile, because I had teeth in the front missing from bad dentistry before and health issues. And now a lot of my health issues have gone, and I'm enjoying life.
When he came to our practice, we did the CBCT, and we gave him the good news that we are able to help him with placing an implant and having fixed teeth in the same day on top of the implant. And in the beginning, it was a shock for him, and probably he did not believe it. He trusted us, and we did the procedure for him, and he was able to throw his dentures in the trash in the same day and leave with the fixed bridge in his mouth.
His knowledge and years of experience, he can tell when a patient's depressed and why they're depressed. And not only he, but his staff, Dr. Nahlah's staff, help you through that. So I wouldn't not recommend it to anybody. I've recommended it to a lot of friends. They've asked me who, and I've told them Dr. Nahlah. We've become good friends over the last 3+ years, but he changed my life for the better. It's still knowing where I was, emotional. And all I can say, it's worth every penny, and he's a great person to help you deal with any issues. And whatever they are, he can get you from point A to point Z. And after that, you'll be a happier, healthier person all the way around.